Straight line is one of the simplest mathematical functions. Therefore, it's very important to define the slope and intercept, to understand what the equation of a line means, and to plot any straight line given its equation. The straight line is defined by two properties, the slope and the vertical intercept. Therefore, the general equation of a straight line is y equals ax plus b, where a is the slope and b is the vertical intercept, also known as y-intercept. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. Therefore, to calculate the slope, we need 2 points. So, a is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. After calculating the slope, it's very important to interpret it. So, for example, if we have an equation of y equals 2x plus 1, over here the slope is positive 2, which means that the straight line is upward sloping. As x increases by 1 unit, y will increase by 2 units. Let's take another example, y equals minus 3x plus 4. The slope over here is negative 3, which means that the straight line is downward sloping. And as x increases by 1 unit, y will decrease by 3 units. If the slope is positive, then the straight line is rising from left to right. If the slope is negative, then the straight line is falling from left to right. If the slope is 0, then the straight line is horizontal. And if we have no slope, which means that the slope is undefined, then the straight line is vertical downward. To graph the straight line, we need at least 2 to 3 points. So for example, we can take the intercepts, the vertical and the horizontal intercept, and join the points together. Or we can take any value of x, replace it in the equation to get y, and then plot the straight line. Any straight line has two intercepts, the horizontal and the vertical intercept. The horizontal intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis, and the vertical intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. As mentioned earlier, the simplest mathematical function or equation is the straight line, which is used to model demand, supply, revenue, and cost.